Hey friends, I'm going to give you a little tip today. Um, Here I am in Canva and you can see different things I've created for Seiko and my little designs. Um, I just wanted to show you Instagram posts will always be a square. Um, Facebook posts could be a square or a rectangle. You can use, I've even used these fun little logos right here and change them up. I actually used this font and logo setup and I used a Seiko background, so I just want to show you where I did that. It's right here. I used a Seiko background, which was a photo, and I'll show it to you, or one of my uploads, and I'll show you right here. I have it. So I just literally placed that in there and I just dragged it, but to set it as the background. But I used this template right here, this green one that says like, oh, I don't even know what that says. Gwen's Way? Anywho, so I used that to create this graphic. So I just literally used that template, threw in a new background, and made it say what I wanted. Thankful for you. I use these on my thank you posts in my VIP group. And then a really fun tip, if you want to duplicate this page to change the verbiage, this little area right here, duplicate page, all you do is click that and you'll get another copy of it. So you can double click inside the text box and change it. So you might want to say mystery hostess if you're having a mystery hostess party. One thing you can do is you can change the line height by working with the arrow right here with the little lines. It's the spacing. This is called the leading. Letter spacing is called kerning. I don't really want to mess with that much, so I'll leave it at 0. I just wanted to give that a little bit more space, so you can see as I drag it this way it gets a lot of space, but if I need just a smidge more space I'll do it there. Then to get out I'll just click in the margin over here, and I can also click my text box and kind of move it around to where I like it. And then I have Seiko Mish VIP because that's the name of my VIP group. So I actually created this graphic and I downloaded it. So let me show you. If you don't want to download all the pages, you can just select the page you want to download. So right here in the top left, I see page 3. I just want to download page 3. So I'm going to select it, and then I want it to be a PNG because I want it high quality, and I'm doing 3 times, so it's 1500 by 1500 pixels, and I press download. And what's cool about this, and I don't know, this might be a fun little tip and trick, but for my Send Mish to Uganda party, I went into events, event manager. You know when you're uploading your photo for, let's see, Send Mish to Uganda, details, oh wait, maybe I need to, well actually I don't know if I can edit the event. Well, let me just show you with Marie's Facebook party. So see this image? I love this image, but I wanted to use that graphic for my Seiko party. So I ended up removing the image. Why is it not letting me? Oh, well, I think I can just upload. So I ended up uploading that fun Send Mish to Uganda image right here. You can just select your file. I'm going to do download since I just downloaded it. And then I forget what that was called. Okay, let's see. Oh, there it is. I didn't change the name of it. But see, I can add an image and then save it, and then it shows up as like when it does the preview on Facebook, it shows up as the fun. Here, let me show you. So I'll go to Facebook, and then I'll go to, let's see, my Seiko Mish VIP group, and okay, there's where I use the image to say thank you to people. But then when I posted the link, see how the image showed up? So I loved that. That was super fun to put that in there and have a little graphic in there. I wouldn't do it for every party, but if you have a special party that you just want to make a fun little graphic and you want that to show up, it's really neat to have like that little preview of your graphic. So that's what I wanted to share today, that you can use these logos to maybe do something simple and add a Seiko background through your uploads. And you can get all of these backgrounds in the back office. I can also include them on this post just so you have something to work with as well. And I wrote this one. I am Uganda bound, not quite yet, but I did that as self-fulfilling prophecy. So anywho, I hope this video was helpful. Drop comments if you need any more help, or if something was confusing. I would love to share just more tips and tricks. Okay, bye.